ब्रेक पर स्वागत। ओडिशा रे प्रतिरक्षा कार्यकलाप वृद्धि पाइब। विशेषकर प्रतिरक्षा संपर्कित तालीम निजुक्ति सामग्री उत्पादन उपर प्रतिरक्षा मंत्रालय गुरुत्व देछि। भुवनेश्वर में अनुष्ठित इंडिया एंड द इंडियन ओशन शीर्षक अंतर्जातीय सम्मेलन उद्यापनी उत्सव में यह कहते प्रतिरक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पारिकर। सोमालिया जलदस्यु प्रसंग में भी मत रखिंट प्रतिरक्षा मंत्री। सेहीपरि भारत महासागर तटवर्ती देशगुड़िक परस्पर मध्य सहयोग रखा पारिकर गुरुत्व देइछन्ति। इंडिया एंड द इंडियन ओशन शीर्षक कार्यक्रम उद्यापनी उत्सव में बहु विशिष्ट व्यक्ति जोग देथिले।
But more than that, I would ensure, in fact what he said is the correct line, that the defence presence will be felt more in Orissa, so that if we can get more people trained, get more people in the army, as well as create more employment, more production. It's just in the at this moment on a not even on a drawing board, just thinking
very
board.
primary stage.
Primary stage is just today's threat are not traditional threat. Non-traditional threats also are coming in. The pirates of Somalia, when being neutralized by the various navies, including India's, are shifting their location towards India. I believe that I should have a very good, strong relation with my neighbor, and I am already exchanging a lot of joint exercise, discussions, training. Lot of countries we are opening slots for training. Doesn't like to be offensive, but India also believes that the best way of defense is being strong. OROP policy has been finalized from Defense Department, and now it requires certain financial administrative approvals. There are procedures which are called as normal standard government procedures for errors, corrections, methodology.
परवर्ती खबर को आसिबा। राजधानी रे बेआईन निर्माण उच्छेदर नेतृत्व नेउथुबा बीडीएर एनफोर्समेंट ऑफिसर देवप्रसाद दास को बदली को नहीं चर्चा। निर्दिष्ट किछि घटना को नहीं तांको बदली करा जायतबा चर्चा हेउछि। तबे 4 वर्ष रे तांकर 6 थर